This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are here with Creative Nails. Our theme is Inspirational. I'm going to cut in somewhere, could be around now or at the end, where I'll show the picture that we are following that is inspirational. So, I did 2 nails without. 2 nails without, and you see I'm going to do this, and I'm doing a blooming. So we're going to dive right in, finish our set. And we're going to crack on, as Pumpkin would say. We're going to crack on. So we're using Madam Glam here today, which I am a brand ambassador for. We have got Crystal Ball, Spirit Guide, and Mama Bear. These are all beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm also using Madam Glam's Blooming Gel. So we're going to apply that on the nail thinly. You don't want it sloppy. And we are going to use our palette that I have here before us. And I'm going to place this diagonally across the nail. Oh, gracious. You can watch it spread. I'm just going to let it sit here for just a momento so it can spread. And then I'll pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. This side here is probably going to be a little thicker than the rest of the nail. So what I'm going to do is do this just to thin it out a smidge. And then I'm going to pop it in for 60, and that's what we're going to do. Do this here so you can see. It's really easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Lemon squeezy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You can't put too much of the, which one is this again? Crystal Ball. Crystal Ball seems to be way thicker, more of that product than the others. I want it to be equal. So let me set this one here, let that spread. Whoops. Whoopsie. Get my last and final nail up here. Get this one up here. Close our cap. Make sure you check out everybody that did a video. There will be in the comments. The playlist will be pinned. That way you can check out everybody's video. Hillbilly should be in there, and Crestivenailz by Samantha. Of course, there's mine. I'm sure Karina's going to be in there. These are so party. So party. Let's see here, put this one in as well. Wipe this off. I'll pop these 2 in the lamp for 60, and we will be right back. Alrighty, here we are back out of the lamp. These turned out really super pretty. I am very happy with them. We are going to top coat with our Madam Glam No White Top Coat. Soak off No White Top Coat. I'm really happy with my Madam Glam top coats, or my Madam Glam products. I do have a code. I will put that right down at the bottom of the screen. Again, this is with the Blooming Gel. And we have got Crystal Ball, Spirit Guide, and Mama Bear. Check out Madam Glam's website. Use my code at checkout. Use my code to save yourself some coins. And who doesn't want to save some coins? I know I sure do when I shop. Down in the description box are the rest of my codes for checkouts for different companies, and I represent a vast wide variety. Charlie's Nail Art, She Modern, Nail Reserve, Madam Glam, brcnailstipsexpieces.com, a cart. Gosh, who else is there? I know there's way more than that. A wide variety. I like my variety of anything. I don't like just, blah, 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 blah. I like a variety. We're going to take some really itty bitties, pop them on here, just real random, I can't talk. Like 2 per. Just to give it an itty bitty little sparkle. Just a little bit of sparkle. I got these 2 here that just, whoops, I couldn't get them to flip over. And now get them to flip. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Here we are. We are finito. The nails are finished. Here we go. Take your last gander before I pop them in the lamp. I think they turned out really super pretty. Very pleased with them. Very, very pleased. So I'm going to pop them in the lamp for a quick 60. And we shall return. Alrighty, they're coming out of the lamp. They're coming out of the lamp. Let's take our last and final gander. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We got a little bit of sparkle going. An itty bitty little sparkle. On each nail there are 2 per. 2 per, 2 per, 2 per. 2 per. This is it for Creative Nails Designs. Our theme is inspirational. And I will put the picture up here at the end of the inspirational photo where you are supposed to pick one picture for the design that is supposed to inspire you to do a manicure. The picture I chose was in the upper left. That inspired me to do the Bloomy Gel manicure. I'm very pleased with it, very pleased. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I tried to get my colors spot on. I didn't have like a light orange or a soft orange to go with. This is what I did. So let me know what you think, girls. Let me know what you think, girls. I'm very happy with it. This one definitely has more of the, oh god, what was it called? Spirit Guide did it. I'm very happy with it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.